So let's take a look at NVIDIA. It had this pullback, several lower daily highs in a row. Even today, still a lower high than yesterday's high. And it was showing some weakness, but yesterday it gapped down. Bulls bought that dip, closed pretty strong. High volume last few days before yesterday and Friday, showing that there's a lot of buying pressure on the way down on these levels. And it actually ended up selling off before the split. And so it might not be a sell the news event because, well, it wasn't a sell the news event clearly. It did drop a little bit today, but not much because it already dropped before their earnings. So maybe it priced in any sort of sell the news reaction already, potentially. But we are still riding below that 4-week moving average, whereas before we were riding above it. Now it's acting as kind of a resistance area. What you want to see is the bulls to really step up and close this candle strong, maybe just below last week's high or even above it, if you want this to almost be like a little bit of a bull flag. But it has a little bit too much of a pullback for me to think that it's a bull flag, but it is possible. But it is a good sign that it's holding that 50-day moving average, that there's those high volume at the lows. And I think tomorrow we could potentially get a break of this lower daily high pattern. The bears are still trying to keep that 4-day, the red line, as a resistance. We did close slightly below it, but not by much. The stock obviously looks much cheaper now because the split went through. $186 now compared to, nearly $800. So it might attract some new buyers to the stock. It is holding this second support area. We're going to see from here. Overall, still looks fairly healthy, but this is a pretty sizable pullback. Bulls are definitely going to want to hold that previously 700 mark. Let's say now 175 or so. Bulls definitely want to hold above there, above that 4-day, that 50-day. Sorry, I'm a little lost today. 50-day moving average, which is the yellow line. So bulls want to hold that. A little bit of indecision showing on the monthly. It still might need more consolidation before really making a further move higher, as it did have this huge breakout recently. But with this new price point, the stock definitely appears much cheaper, and it might attract a lot of buyers soon. And we got that high volume spike at that low. So I wouldn't be surprised this starts turning in favor of the bulls again. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my quick analysis on NVIDIA. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share. Check me out on Instagram. I post all kinds of stuff on Instagram. A lot of jokes and stuff too, which you may or may not like. But that's what I do. So thanks for watching, guys. And check out my site as well, 10baggerstocks.com. And next month, my course is going to go on sale, as well as a new report and subscription type of service that I've been working on called the 10-Bagger Report. I plan to release that sometime later next month. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.